In this video, I'll show you how to create a US virtual account using Airtm right on your mobile phone. It is quick, simple, and works perfectly if you want to send or receive money in USD without any stress. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Now, let's get started. The link to download the Airtm app on your Android or iPhone is in the video description below. If you register through the link or use my name Okechukwu as your referral, once you verify your account and make your first deposit, Airtm will give you a $3 bonus. You can also open the Play Store app and search for Airtm, AIRTM, then search. Then you can download the app from there. After downloading and installing the app, you can then tap on open and then launch the app. If you are new to the app, just tap on sign up and create your free Airtm account. Enter your email address, password, and country. Select Nigeria or wherever you are from. Then verify your email. If you already have an account, just log in. Me, I've already signed in. The next thing is to make sure that your account is verified. It is important because you can't create a virtual account until your profile is fully verified. You will need to upload a government issued ID card and a selfie following the on-screen instruction. Once approved, you are good to go. So let me head over to my account section. Then I'll tap on verification. So here you will see that my account is fully verified. So for you to be able to get the US virtual account, you have to verify these two options here: ATM account verification and your special features verification. If this special features verification is not verified, you will not be able to get the US virtual account. Let's go back to the home page. In the home page section, you will see the virtual account section. Just tap on this virtual account section. It will appear this way. Mine is showing this way because I already have the US dollar account, so it will appear this way. Here will now be showing open US virtual account. Once you tap on it, ATM will generate your US account details, including your account number, routing number, and bank name, just like as it appears in this page. So as you can see, here is the details of the account. These details can be used to receive payment in USD just like a regular US bank. All you have to do is to copy these details and give it to someone that wants to send money to you. So you can now use those details to receive payments from clients, platform, or exchanges that support USD bank transfers. The fund will appear in your ATM balance and you can easily withdraw or convert them to Naira anytime. And that's it on how to create a US virtual account in ATM using your phone. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more simple guides like this. If you have any question, throw them in the comment section. And if you want to learn how to withdraw from ATM to Naira account, check out my next video. I'll walk you through it step by step. I'll explain how to withdraw from ATM to any of your local currency. Watch this video and I'll see you in this video.